Kia ora! Welcome to the first lesson about passive sentences. Passive sentences are important in Māori, but they can be difficult to explain. So there will be 3 videos about this topic. We'll go little by little. Verbs in Māori have an active form and a passive form. Until now, we've only seen the active form. To start, we'll learn how to change an active verb to its passive form. We do this by adding a tail to the verb. For example, to see. The active form is kite. The passive form is kitea, with an a at the end. To sing. The active form is waiata. The passive form can be waiata tia, with tia at the end, or waiata hia, with hia at the end. There are several endings. They can be a, na, nga, ia, kia, mia, ria, tia, ngia, ina, or kina. It's possible for there to be more than one tail option for a verb, like for waiata. It can depend on dialect or be simple preference. There are more options than what we see here, and exceptions exist as well. You can find the tails by looking up the verbs in the dictionary. There's an online dictionary, maoridictionary.co.nz. Today, we'll see a few more examples. In the next videos, we'll see their uses. Pānui, to read. Pānui tia, pānui hia. Kai, to eat. Kainga, kaingia. Inu, to drink. Inumia. Tākaro, to play. Tākaro hia, tākaro tia. Kōrero, to speak. Kōrero hia, kōrero tia, kōrero ngia. Today we'll finish here, knowing that there are active and passive verbs and how to find and write the difference. In the following videos we'll see their uses and why they're so important. Ka kite!